Welcome everyone. Today, I'll guide you on how to delete a split in CapCut. It's a straightforward process, so let's dive right in. Firstly, make sure you have a clip on your timeline. You can import one and drag it onto your timeline. Once you have your clip, there are two ways to split it. You can either use the shortcut Command B or click on the split button here. Now your clip is split into two parts. If you want to delete the split immediately after creating it, you can simply press Command Z or Ctrl-Z on Windows to undo. This will remove the split and your clip will be back to its original state. But what if you've continued working and don't want to undo the split? No worries. Just delete one of the clips created by the split. For example, delete one of the segments, then extend the other to its previous length. This action effectively removes the split. CapCut, unlike some other editing software, doesn't have a direct delete split feature. However, this method provides a simple workaround. And there you have it. Deleting a split in CapCut is as easy as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and happy editing!